Yes, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? You're welcome to our crypto session every Saturday, 8 p.m. West African time, where we talk about the wonderful opportunity that we have taken advantage of in the crypto market. And this opportunity, I tell you, it's all about trading on the cryptocurrency market. Today, we're going to show you another type of stream of income that a lot of us have been using to go overboard in such a hard time as we have now. So if you are new to this, you're just joining us for the first time for this meeting. If you're not a member, just type the letter A. But if you are a member and you're always coming on the meeting and you have your crypto bot working for you, just type the letter B. This is essential that we do this so we know where to begin from. Ty, it's good to have you on the call as a first timer. Mr. Paul Ejiri Igben, good to see you on the call. Our member, always on here. Yeah, good to have Ruth on the house. Caleb, it's good to have you. So, co-host, please help me add the people as they come on the call. Zaomi, you didn't put your name on there, but it's nice. Lady Phoenix, good to have you. Bayo Francis, good to have you on the call. Right, so I see that we have quite a number of people who are new to the house. We have some people who are always been here who are members. It's fine. It's always a good time to come in and learn a little more about the business because we know the situation of our country today, Nigeria. Our naira is at a hyperinflation system, and so many things are just going wrong. But in all this, all we have to do is keep on keeping on. And with what we have with the RoyalQ bot, it has been pretty awesome seeing a situation where you have the opportunity to trade right from your phone and earn, having a system where your money remains with you and you're trading on the crypto market. For me, it's safer than any other business, even safer than doing forex. Because I've seen some people who have problems with their brokers and they're not able to access their funds in the forex market, even though they have traded successfully. But here's a system where your money remains with you and where you have the peace of mind that you seek anywhere else. You can never get this type of business anywhere else right now on the planet. So allow me to share my screen and let us go right on to what we have today. So please co-host, help me other people as they come on the call. So once again, I'm Lawyer Taj. I'm a lawyer by profession, a cryptocurrency trader, a network marketing professional, and an investment portfolio manager. And I'm here to present to you an opportunity in the cryptocurrency market created by RoyalQ. And so RoyalQ cryptocurrency trading with artificial intelligence bot is what we have for you today. Before we delve into a whole lot of stuff, we need to have a foundation onto what we are going to talk about today. And so if someone asks you what is cryptocurrency, I want the house to be one that is really participatory. Please feel free to use the chat box. You can drop your messages or your questions on there, and after all, we will handle it. And this is a class that everybody has to learn. Everybody can participate. Feel free to write on the chat box. And so, what is cryptocurrency? If you ask me, I'll simply tell you that cryptocurrency is the current stage in the evolution of money. I'll repeat again, cryptocurrency is the current stage in the evolution of money. That means that money has evolved over time from different stages of human lifetime until what we have today, cryptocurrency being the current stage in that evolution of money. And if you can see my screen, just type the alphabet A. If you can see my screen, just type the alphabet A so I can continue. I don't want to be on the guys that everyone's seen it. Just type the letter A, alphabet A. Awesome. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you, Mary George. Thank you, Jonathan. Right. So you can see the different stages that our money has evolved from the trade by barter system, where it was something for something, to the gold era, to the times of metal coins, diamond, silver, bronze, And then we had the paper money system. And then from the paper money, we saw that there were some deficiencies in the paper money. And then was created plastic cards, which we use in withdrawing our money. I remember the time when, I was still very, very bright to remember the time when there was no ATM cards, where you had to go to the bank by 8 o'clock, and if it closes by 4, there's no other way you can get your money. And then when we're told that plastic cards are gonna come and you can use it to access your money through a machine called an ATM, the whole world was skeptical. Well, I won't say the whole world because it's been happening in other countries before it came to Nigeria. But we in Nigeria were like, how is that possible? That we're going to be able to use just plastic cards to get our money? Okay, let's see. And the time came, and today all of us have more than one plastic cards, which we call bank cards. And then we have electronic money. And we say electronic money is a system we see happening in different countries of the world, like the M-Pesa in Kenya, like the Momo that is used in Ghana. Speaking of Ghana, I'll be in Ghana this week. In fact, it's in the next 3 days, and I'll be there for quite a while. I would love to meet members and also host some meetings. And then finally, we came onto the system of cryptocurrency. And basically, this cryptocurrency began basically in 2008. The idea was nurtured in 2008 after we saw the Great Recession happening to Freddie Mac and Freddie May. We saw institutions fall, a ripple effect to the real estate and to different human endeavors, even to everywhere in the world. And at that time, it became clear to we humans that we cannot actually rely on these banking institutions or these financial organizations to keep our money safe. Why don't we create a system without a third party? And so the white paper of what we know as Bitcoin was created around 2008 and 2009. It became open to everyone in the world that there is coming to exist another system, different, quite different from what we know. Oh, I don't know why the screen's not changing. Oh. There's been a little lag in the system. I don't know why. Okay, so the system has been a little slow, but we're just gonna move on like that. It's gonna pick up in a bit. And so, like I was saying, when cryptocurrency began, it began with a white paper in 2008 and the establishment of the first cryptocurrency, which we all know today as Bitcoin. And in the existence of Bitcoin, from the existence of Bitcoin in 2009 up till today, there are over 2,000 plus different cryptocurrencies that are being used today all over the world. These cryptocurrencies joined together as what is we know today as the cryptocurrency markets. Yeah. And so with the formation of cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency markets, they formed what we know today as cryptocurrency trading. I'm trying different methods. Yes, so this is Satoshi Nakamoto, who was the founder of the first cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. Now, we do not know if it's male or female, or boy or girl, or a group of people. But what we know is that his idea brought about a system where the third man was eliminated, even in all form of transactions. And Bitcoin was formed from a technology known as the blockchain technology. Now, a lot has been said about the blockchain, but not too much, not even enough has been said of its impact in the lives of we humans. So, what is the blockchain technology? From the words blockchain, it means transactions are created in blocks and are chained together in a system that cannot be edited, that cannot be erased, and cannot be destroyed. And so the blockchain got its prominence from cryptocurrency, which was its first brainchild. But as we speak today, the blockchain is being used in different spheres of human endeavor, to banking, even to health, even to music, even to insurance, into precious stones, and a whole lot of stuff that we will continue to see as time goes on. And so, what are the investment strategies that are open with cryptocurrency? We have two, there are actually more than two, but these are the two that we are focused on, which is holding and trading. So what is hodling? It's not a mistake that is being spelled that way. It's a cryptocurrency word for being able to buy cryptocurrency low and selling it high for bigger gains. Originally, it's a type of hold, which means holding on to cryptocurrency. When we say trading, it's the opportunity that you have in the juxtaposition of two currencies together called crypto pairs in earning and a buy and sell situation. Just like the market you go to, you have a buyer and then you have a seller and then they come together. So this is what we have with trading in cryptocurrency. Not just holding, you have the opportunity to trade different cryptocurrencies against each other. Now, let me take your mind a little bit to what we know as trading, because some people who are new may not understand that there have been different tradings that have been happening in all spheres of human endeavor in respect to stock trading, which is the buying and selling of stocks at publicly traded companies or marketplaces like the New York Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange, and the Tokyo Stock Exchange. And then we have commodity trading, which is the buying and selling of commodities like gold, silver, oil, agricultural products on marketplaces like CME and NYMEX. And not only that, we also have another type of trading on here, which is called bond trading. With bond trading, is the buying and selling of the buying and selling of debt securities issued by the government or corporations and marketplaces like the US Treasury all over the world. And so you see that trading is a part of the system that we humans have been doing for time immemorial. Other types of trading we know are options trading, futures trading, and then we have forex trading and cryptocurrency trading. We're going to be juxtaposing the two, forex trading and cryptocurrency trading, but right now we need to look at what we know as the different areas of crypto trading. Now, in crypto trading, there are what is called futures trading, you have margin trading, and then spot trading. In these different trading, what we do is spot trading, because crypto exchanges facilitate spot trading, which is a strategy in which traders buy or sell the underlying crypto assets at a current market price, and the transaction is instantly settled. So with spot trading, it refers simply to purchasing the token or the coin or the crypto at a low price and selling at a high price. Note, you can lose money trading futures and margin trades, but not with spot trading, because all you need to actually earn a lot in spot trading is patience and discipline. Patience to ride through the floating losses and the discipline to cash in on your take profits when the time comes. And so let us look a little bit into these two different types of trading, and let us see why we know, or why are we trading the cryptocurrency market. I, for one, have traded Forex for the past 12 years, and I can tell you, in the whole year, there's no time I was very happy. It's either one loss or the other, one way or the other. It became so difficult. I was one of the people who imagined that this Forex market is manipulated. There's no way you're going to tell me. And so, to everyone in the house, if you have traded the Forex market before, just type the letter 1. But if you have never traded before, just type the letter 2. I want to see those who have traded. And what was your experience? It was very good, just put very good. If it was very bad, just put very bad. So that we in the house will know, in the world of trading, if it's something simple or something really, 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 really bad. I had a bad experience, so I'm going to put the letter 1 and I'm going to type very bad on there. But I tell you, since I have started trading the crypto market with the RoyalQ app. It has been an awesome time. An awesome time. Yeah, so you can see quite a lot of people in the house. We have a house full of mixed individuals, some who have traded and some who have not. And so let us delve easily into what we have with this two different types of trading. With the forex market, it's open 5 days a week only, Monday to Fridays. But with the cryptocurrency market, this market is open 24 hours of the day, 7 days a week, non-stop. So a crypto trader has the ability to earn money on Saturday and Sundays, but the forex market, the forex trader only earns Monday to Friday. Trading of fiat currencies in pairs is what forex market is all about. USD, GBP, Euro, USD. But trading in cryptocurrencies handles the ability for you to trade two different cryptos against each other, like the BTC USD, Ethereum BTC, BNB BTC. And in our market, we see different types of crypto pairs we trade over 300. The volatility is generally lower in the forex market, but with crypto trading, it has high volatility, which for the cryptocurrency trader creates much more value than being trading on the forex market. Forex market is worth 7.5 trillion, but the crypto market is estimated at 2.9 trillion USD and growing rapidly. The market closes your trade in losses in the forex market when your leverage capital cannot sustain the loss. So I remember when I was trading forex, they'll tell you for good money management, if you have $500, do not enter trades with more than $100. Just keep the 400 so that if the trade eventually is going against you, you have enough money to leverage the loss until the market reverses. And that's why we said stop loss is king when I was trading the forex market, because at some point, if you don't have a stop loss, then you're done for. But right here in the crypto market, it is not that way, because in the crypto market, what you actually do is you buy these coins in your wallet, and these coins are what increases in value over time. When it decreases, it's like a loss for you, but it is a floating loss. It is not a loss until the market reverses back in profits. So here we do not need to leverage. We do not need to hold some certain amount of money so that the trade doesn't go against us, so that we don't lose our money, because the RoyalQ bot never, I mean never, trades you in losses. The forex market is accessible through brokers, but the cryptocurrency market is accessible through cryptocurrency exchanges like Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, and the rest. The forex trading gives you access to trade currencies, not to actually own them. So when you're trading Euro GBP, you don't actually own euros or GBP, you're just speculating on the currencies. But in the cryptocurrency trading market, you have ownership of these coins you trade with, which is an asset itself. Because besides the fact that you're trading, if you hold that coin and that coin happens to begin to increase in value, you're going to see much more profits because you have that coin in your wallet. So that's an asset in itself. And forex market, forex trading, you don't really have any assets. Cryptocurrency trading, you actually have assets on here. And so in the crypto market, just like the forex market, there are two types of market: the bullish market and the bearish market. In the bearish market, there are negative sentiments. Things seem to be going down. There's not much things happening, and there are shorts of the stock, higher volume for lower price, and everyone is just pessimistic. But ladies and gentlemen, if you are new on this call, if you've not heard what is called the bull run, I'm pretty sure you know that when we say bull run, we're meaning that the market is bullish, because we are in 2024. Once every 4 years comes when the Bitcoin halving happens, and then some hundreds of days after, we'll see a massive bull run. And what is a bull run? It's simply a situation where, because of one problem or the other in any other endeavor, traders are buying much more into the cryptocurrency markets, and that affects not only Bitcoin, but a hundred other coins. And so, with the upcoming bull run, which is pretty close, you have an opportunity to earn so much on the market, enjoy volatility, and see your profits. So basically, when we say the market is bullish, it has positive sentiments. We expect uptrends to continue. It has high volume with high price, and demands are higher than supply. So another question that I get asked a couple of times is this, that does the RoyalQ bot trade in the bull and bear markets? In other words, do we make profits even when the market is bearish? The answer is yes. Because the RoyalQ bot is designed to trade successfully in both the bull and the bear markets. The bot employs various strategies and tools that allows it to adapt to different market conditions. And so to everyone who's new in the house, if you're a cryptocurrency trader with RoyalQ, you're a crypto trader and you earn money this weekend, let's say between Friday, Saturday, Sunday, just type the letter B. And you know what B stands for? It stands for bullish, stands for Bitcoin, stands for billionaire, stands for be great. So if you earn money this week, just type the B on there. If you didn't earn any money, just type A. I'm pretty sure you ain't gonna see no A there. But we all have been earning consistently, no matter how bad the market is. If you bad, well, we're some small dollars. If it's sweet, some triple digits on a daily. Right, right. Ibok the B Dorish, we know. Yeah, B everywhere. Right. So we'll go to the next part. So what is this RoyalQ bot? What is this RoyalQ bot? Co-host, please check. Someone's trying to write. I see some red lines on the presentation. If you have done it by mistake, please correct. What is this RoyalQ bot? The RoyalQ bot is an automated cryptocurrency trading robot designed to help users trade digital assets more effectively by leveraging artificial intelligence and quantitative trading strategies. With all the big English here, it simply means that RoyalQ is like an app that you download on your phone. You subscribe to the app for 1 year. That app is now integrated to your Binance. And with your money with you, you can trade the forex market through that app. Any profits you make go directly to your exchange. You only pay for the app and you only have fuel fees for profits that come on there. Right, there are some advantages I would like to talk about when trading with the RoyalQ bot or the RoyalQ app, because they are automated trading system where you set it and forget it. We have exchange integration, which is the most highly secured form of trading, because you have access to your money 100%, even though they are in trades. You can close the trade if you want, if there's any emergency, because there's nothing like you need to wait some certain days. And when you're withdrawing, you need to wait some certain hours or put in a request. Monies all go directly to your exchange. And then there's strategy customization, predefined strategies and custom strategies. And from there, we have created what we know as the top gainer strategy. TGS is, if you really understand how that works on a 1 minute, on a 3 minutes, on a 5 minutes candle, 8 out of 10 times, all your trades will be closing in profits quickly. And so with this system created, everyone is happy and everyone is learning, everyone is trading, and it becomes even more special because you're acquiring knowledge that will take you to the ends of the earth, knowledge that cannot be taken from you, knowledge that anywhere you are in the world, you will continue to earn. It has a user-friendly interface. So we have a mobile app and you can also get it on the desktop. RoyalQ also has real-time market analysis made easy for you. There has been created different systems in the RoyalQ app that helps the average trader know when to take a trade or not. We will look into that in a little bit. So how does RoyalQ bot trade in a bearish market? If you are an economist or an accountant, you know what I mean by dollar cost averaging. So during the bear market, the bot can use DCA to buy assets at different price points, reducing the average cost of holdings and preparing for eventual market recovery. So what that means that even though the price begins to fall, the bot automatically buys the dip for you with the availability of USDT in your account. That way, when the market begins to reverse, you will be in profits, not only from the direct point where you started the trade, but from the bottom part where those dips were bought for you. And so I spoke about some awesome features which has been put on the system by RoyalQ, and this is one of them. It's just like millions of data has been computerized and analyzed, and then there's a barometer created by RoyalQ that helps you know when to go into a buy or when to stop or when to not even go into the market. Because as you can see on the screen, you have strong sell, neutral, buy, and strong buy. And so we have a system where using the martingale strategy bot, we buy low and then the bot sells high. So we do not have a sell system in our RoyalQ trading, quite unlike what people think they understand about trading. So what do you need to really start the RoyalQ bot? What do you need to start trading? You need a verified exchange account with Binance, KuCoin, any of the above. You need a registered email address and a password. And then you need 120 USDT to rent the bot for 1 year. You're not actually buying the bot because every year it is renewable for 120 USDT. And for me, that price is really very cheap because that means that for 12 months you're only paying $10 to use that app. And if you know how powerful or how much people are making from that app just using it for $10 a month, you'll quickly rush into getting it. You just need some $20 to $50, let's say $30 for your fuel fees. So as you begin to make profits, it is from there those fuel fees are deducted. And then your trading capital can be in your exchange. It could be $50, $100 or more. Please note that all your funds or trading capital is in your exchange platform. You do not send money to the bot or anyone to trade for you. Your money remains with you while you're trading. Please say no to Ponzi. Listen. Whether na WNet or GreenNet or EarthNet or SkyNet or whatever name called, if they tell you to buy packages, run. If they tell you the cheapest package is $50, the highest package is from 5,000, run away because we have gone through a lot in this space. And I know some of my contemporaries, my colleagues are in the house. If you are lost money buying packages, or giving somebody money to trade, or someone telling you they have trust, if you have lost in any way in trading online, please just put the letter B, so the people can see. If you have never lost, just use C. Just type C. Just see the B in the house. Some people are still falling victim for return on investment. They'll tell you, we'll give you 1% a day or 2% a day. Run. If you not run, when the tears will come, premium tears, nobody will help you there to cry. And that's why when you tell people about this business, some of them still think it's that same kind of Ponzi system where you have to pay some money or buy packages. No, 8 out of 10 times, most people that eventually join my business with RoyalQ still think that it was those kind of Ponzi's we're doing that time, hoping that the company will not run, hoping that the company will be here for the next 5 years. They won't, ladies and gentlemen. They're gonna run away, and I hope that you have learned. If you have not today, please remove your hand from any business they say staking or mining or trading or whatsoever. So far, it means that you need to come up with some money to anybody. Please don't do it for your own good. What are the ways to earn with RoyalQ? What are the ways to earn with RoyalQ? There are three different ways that you can earn with RoyalQ. Number one is a trading income. Trading income. So you earn every time the bot sells your coin, because when you set your trades, you can go to sleep every time. Anytime the trade hits the take profit, it automatically closes. Affiliate income is when you say, okay, this business is good for me. Oh, I can see that I'm making some dollars every day. This my friend Onome. How when not sabi this thing? In fact, make I tell him about the business. Make he put in money. If you do that, you tell Onome, and Onome signs up, and Onome begins to earn money. For him signing up, you get some money paid to you, which is called affiliate income, and it comes in different ways and prices. If you join us on a Tuesday when we deal on members meeting, we break down. In fact, we cannot break down enough the important network marketing abilities that RoyalQ has given us. And then there's the team trading profits. With the team trading profits, you earn a certain percentage of profits that the robot generates for your team members. So imagine a system where, as so far the cryptocurrency market exists, so far there's Bitcoin and all other cryptos trading against each other. We will have a RoyalQ that's ready to make the app work for you and I to trade consistently. Imagine 5 years from now. Imagine 10 years from now. Imagine growing a team of 1,000 traders. Imagine growing a team. Oh God, Santarabaka. You need to understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. You see, there's a lot of potentials here in RoyalQ. If you choose to just be a passive trader, you can put on your money on there and have your money work for you trading. But another way that you can do it is also building a massive team. When you build a team, this is what is possible for you. As a V2, you can stand a chance to earn between $10 to $50 on a daily basis. If you're a V3, you can earn between $50 to $500 daily. You're a V4, you can earn 500 to 1,000 daily. And if you're a V5, you can see 1,000 to $4,000 daily. And ladies and gentlemen, when you get to this V6, look at it. It is not incredible, it is real. People are earning this. At a V6, you stand a chance to earn between 5,000 to 10,000 daily. It is not easy to hit this ranks. It is not easy. Yes, I know. But it is not impossible. Because if others can do it, even you can do it. As a professional network marketer, I look forward to the challenges of building a worthy team of crypto traders, earning legitimately, bringing money to their family, being happy, being able to pay bills, and even pursue their dreams and live a happy life. After all, that's what life is about, isn't it? So, with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that RoyalQ is the best business that you can do right now because it's safe, it's secured, and you have the opportunity to grow your income when you do this business. So how do I get started? The first way is get back to who invited you and tell them, you know what, I want to sign up. They say signing up is free. I don't need to pay any money to sign up. Yes, it's free. You just go to your app store or whatever phone you use, type on RoyalQ, download the app, get the invite link of whoever told you about it, put the invite link. You have an access to the whole interface of the RoyalQ app. They're not they press anything spoil. The more you press, the more you begin to learn. And when you learn, it becomes open to you. You're put in a group where you see teachings going on a daily basis. Brother, the next thing you need to do is to activate your bots with $120 and have your trading capital with you. Basically, nearly 70% of people in Nigeria use Binance. So with your trading capital in Binance, you are good to go. Your bot is integrated to your Binance, and then you begin to trade. It is that simple. What are the advantages trading with the RoyalQ bot? No data is required. You trade at your convenience. You set it and forget it. Put it in the morning, when you wait in the night before you sleep, you look and see how far your trades have gone. You know, it's that simple. Your capital is 100% in your possession. That's another beautiful point because most times the different businesses that we lost a lot of money, we let go of our capital. We didn't have access to our money. We needed to apply request withdrawal before we can withdraw our money. And then they'll tell you it will take within 48 hours. And the day you see we are going into maintenance, Utilo, you don't go. You will begin to wish and hope, God, please let them open one more time so I can withdraw my money, God. Sometimes it never happens. And then we cry and look for another opportunity again. But never again. We will never, I mean, never do a business where we need to let go of our capital. With this RoyalQ, we don't know so. No, we live here, and I'm saying we die here. We live here, we prosper here. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Your profit goes straight to your Binance, not to the bot. And then this is a business that your kids can inherit. Imagine that. Imagine you don't grow your team, even under your child's account. It has like 200, 500 traders trading. Even though the account is not trading, you'll be seeing money that will be making you smile. You have created a business for your kids, for your family, for your loved ones. Who are those that are always asking you for money at every end of the month? Who are those your dependents? Show them RoyalQ. Have them sign up. Put the money for them and let them begin and say, okay, it was this guy that helped me. It was this man that showed me this opportunity that changed my life. It's happening every day, ladies and gentlemen. If you have the eyes to see, lives are changing. In fact, it's not even up to an hour I came back from Benin because I had to go do one-on-one with some VVIPs, people who really wanted to know, Taj, why are you always posting this RoyalQ? What is it about? Why are you always doing different videos in car when you are walking out in different places talking about RoyalQ? Okay, come to Benin. That's when I'll have time for you. And here we are. This coming week, I'm off to Ghana. I don't know about you. I don't know what you see about this business, but I know what I'm seeing. And that's why I'm ready to put in the work now, now, so that I can smile later. So I can smile later. It's all up to you, ladies and gentlemen. Here, there is no loss of funds. And this is something that is really very amazing when I tell people that the RoyalQ bot never trades you in losses. They're like, come on now, it's impossible. Ah, Taj, you guess with match, I go say the bot not the lose. The bot not the lose. It's left for you. If you wanna close your trade in losses, it's left for you, but the bot will never close you in loss, even though you have 0.000 USDT. It never does that. Your trade could be in floating losses and eventually come back to give you massive profits. And that's the way it is. That's the beauty of what we know as the RoyalQ bot. Another important thing is the fact that as you continue to trade, you will be seeing some of these cryptocurrencies which are bound to increase in value. And by trading them, by holding them, by buying them, you have the opportunity for greater profits when these cryptos begin to increase. When we talk about the bull run and say Bitcoin and other altcoins are going to go up, it is true. Because not only Bitcoin, there are some cryptocurrencies that are small now, but could do 100x, 1000x, 10,000x within the next 12 months. So the ability for you to trade and see those currencies that are always coming up that are growing in value gives you an insight into what coins to buy for the bull run. The minimum startup you need is not 240, it's $150. I always make a mistake. I need to do this. It's $150 because of 120 for your bot, $30 for your full fees. Whatever you are trading with, whether it's 100 or 50 or 1,000 or 10,000, is with you in your crypto exchange. So there's a business where with only $150 you are set and you are good to go. And some of the benefits of this business is, and it is no joke, it's just being modest saying that we earn between 5 to 30% because even in my first month of trading, I made 15%. The second month was 35%. So in 3 months, I actually made 100% of my money. And now I can't even tell you. So it's just like, obviously with a brag, but we're earning double digits daily, sometimes triple digits. And I ain't joking. On a bad day, we see just a single digit, but we're always earning daily. The bot always buy low and sell at a high price, and thereby making profit for you. The robot trades on special risk management system and always gives you profit. And then the sub-bin mode gives you the ability to take profit even when the price is falling down. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of the presentation, but I just want to say a few words here. Remember that the key to getting ahead is getting started. You can't say, one day I go, one day I go, I go, I go. Procrastination is a thief of time. Get started. Even if you have money to just buy the boat first, or you have money for just your access fee or your fuel fees, get it on. Get started. Remember what the Bible said. Invest in 7 ventures. Yes, in 8, because you do not know what disaster may come upon the land. A lot of people have different, maybe they are successful in 1 or 2 businesses and they feel it's okay. It's not. You would know that investing, in fact, the key, it's my saying, it's nobody else's saying. The key to the eradication of poverty is multiple streams of income. I'll take it again so that you can write it down. The key to the eradication of poverty is multiple streams of income. And so when you have multiple streams of income, it gives you that peace of mind. And then on the right-hand side, you see what we write as the top gainer strategy. I've been talking about TGS from the beginning of this session, and I'd like you all to know that it is a simple system where we use just 2 indicators, the Bollinger Band and the KDJ. Once the price action hits the middle or lower Bollinger Band and the purple line of the KDJ indicator is above both lines and facing upwards, we create an order to buy. Remember, the benefits of being with our team is that we do this prospects meeting every 8 p.m. on Sundays. On Tuesday, 9 p.m., we have our RoyalQ members training. So you're not just left alone when you join our team, you have the opportunity to being trained and learning more. Because in our system, we say each one, teach one. Each one, teach one. Duplication, ladies and gentlemen, is the key. Is the key. Right, so that brings us, we have finished the presentation. We'll finish the presentation. I just think that I should use myself as an example and let you guys know about my story with RoyalQ, which started June of this year. But before June of this year, I've been in the network marketing space since 2016. So 2016, as a young lawyer, I got open to the opportunity of going for a blockchain conference in Washington, D.C., George Washington University. That's where I did my first blockchain conference. And that conference opened my eye to the fact that the world is changing. There's a new monetary system. And those who get into it as early are the ones that are going to make a lot of money. And so, as at that time, I bought 7 Bitcoin then at about $700. And at the end of the day, those 7 Bitcoin, I started losing them slowly because any business that comes and say staking, mining, we'll put 0 point something Bitcoin, we'll put 2 point something Bitcoin, we'll put 1 point something Bitcoin, 0 point this, 0 point that. I ended up losing, out of that 7 Bitcoin, I had at some point only 3 point something units of Bitcoin. And so it became 2018 when we saw Bitcoin increase to triple digits for the first time. My Bitcoin got to about 17,000 when I sold the 3 of them. I made about 50 something thousand, and it was so much. I felt so good, like, wow. So this is it. That's great. I'm gonna keep on. I'm gonna keep on. I'm gonna keep on doing it. And then 2018, when man don't get money too much, you start thinking of getting what? Power. So 2018, I said, you know what? I'm tired of the way my local government are treating them. I'm going to run for the House of Assembly in Sapele local government. 2018, with so much crypto money changed, Naira full grand and year. I ran for elections. I was one of those who said, we're not going to give money to anybody to vote. Vote with your mind. Yes, it sounded pretty good, but at the end of the day, I lose. In fact, I carried third, not even second, third. So it was a painful experience at that time because it became clear to me that even the people that are saying we want change, they really don't want change. On election days like Christmas, Everybody wants to get the highest money they can get, 500, 1,000, 5,000. Try to deceive one person or the other in order to get money. But you forget that the next 4 years, you're going to suffer it. And so 2018, after losing that election, it was a very bad time in my life. I went to, I now went to South Africa then to just to relax. 2018 was time I was starting to pay debts and stuff. 2019, I went to the UK for my birthday and I got introduced to another crypto business opportunity. Although when the opportunity started was awesome. We could actually see the trades and stuff. But hmm, 2019, when I got into the business, I started growing my team, doing very well. In fact, I met a lot of people who are on this call here from that stupid business. But at the end of the day, the business closed up in 2021, and I said, never again. I'm never gonna do any business. In fact, me and networking, nothing. I'm going back to focus on my law. Ah, Dr. Money come, Taj. This you get one RoyalQ. I say, I beg, I don't want hear. RoyalQ when I put my money before I know my money start to fall. I sold out all my coins, took all my money. I said, I beg. Which kind of business be this? Nothing. Um, Ibok, Taj, look at this RoyalQ. I said, please. You see this CF bastard? I believe that they are going to pay. Don't worry. I was seeing my home $120,000, $220,000 on the screen. Well, where the physical now? I was I was a thousandaire in dollars online, but offline, I was broke. A nigga was broke. So it took some time to pick myself up again. And I started again, started working hard, and somehow I picked up many of my partners who we all went to the UK for masters. They passed their jackpot, they're not going to come back. So me, I had to come back myself, start to build up Pegasus again. Started listening to Don Chi, small. Listen, that woman is awesome. If she's on this call, let me see if she's on the call. See, that's the woman who stammers, yeah? She stammers, but I've never seen a network marketer as professional as she is. She doesn't even need to talk. She knows how to drop the dimes. Where is Don She? You go, they laugh there now. Hmm. Don She, please unmute yourself. How you doing? Just say hi. I don't want to disturb your quiet self. How you doing,
Hello,
Don She?
guys. Good evening,
I know.
everyone. I'm very well. Good evening, Lawyer Taj.
Yeah, it's nice to see you. Nice to see you. I'm telling them our little story, you know. So
Thank you, and well done. Well
thank you
done.
very
I'm so
much.
impressed with how far you have come, and I
Thank
know that you're going to get higher and higher. You have
thank
set
you.
the pace, and we're just trying to up with you. Sorry, guys.
Thank
This
you
my
very
this
much.
my summary will not allow me to shine this night.
You too
Take care,
much.
guys.
God bless you. You know? And so I met Donshi in April. She came with Dr. Money, Georgie, Ebok. Those were our crew, like from our previous business. We were the one doing seminars everywhere, going on TV, traveling to countries and stuff. I met them again and they were like, Taj, you've overlooked this thing. Oh. She made me an offer. She said, Taj, don't worry. I will pay for your bot. Just be in the group, just be listening over time. I said, well, what's there to lose? She said she could pay 120. After all, that now over 220,000. I said, well, we got set up. I got set up and I was put in the group. I saw the 300%, 300 wanting challenge. I was on that group and another group. And I started watching, seeing the news, seeing stuff. I said, okay, it's getting interesting. And then it was in my presence the TGS strategy started. And me being a trader, I saw how it was working. I was like, you know what? I think it's time to give it a good shot. So I met Donchi again end of May. June 1st, I was at her house. I paid money for my first $400 capital, put it on my exchange. I saw that it was integrated and there was nothing like buying or paying for package. I was like, huh, okay, sounds good. At least my money's with me anytime I can sell. Anytime if I need money, I'll sell, collect my money. That's how it works. And from June, there's been pretty interesting. I didn't need anybody to tell me that, Taj, I think it's time to get serious with your business. Then I started getting serious in June, and I'm V2 now, but there's so much happening on the ground, that pretty soon we'll be going up again. And it's so interesting because you see in this life, you never give up. No matter the situation you have faced, there's someone that has even faced worse times 10, and they're still standing. You do not gain inspiration from those who are fallen. You gain inspiration from those who keep standing up at every time. And that's why the likes of Mahatma Gandhi, Bob Marley, Muhammad Ali, in their different ways, they will always be remembered because they were those who showed exemplary character in everything that they did. And so that's my testimony. It's not the end, it's just the beginning. We'll give up, nine lose. I just wish that those who were in my previous business who had written me off or written the business off or written online business off could once again listen and come back. We will get everything that we lost in this business. You're not dealing with a company that is going to run away. We're dealing with a company who believes in their 20% fuel fees, who believes in that they are 2% on withdrawal, and they're a company that is very responsive with everything that we do. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope I've been able to tell you, because just remember this story. 1 year from now, we will come back. We will talk about it. We're going to say yes. So, how far have we gone? And to everyone who's been following me, I want to thank you all for this wonderful time, the opportunity to learn. Please use these meetings as a prospect for those who you wish for them to be part of the system, because here you hear real life stories. Even when I'm talking, I'm just feeling emotional in different ways because even what I'm doing now, some of my friends, my family, my relation, they're like, Taj, you don't start again. Before you know, this one go close. How do I explain to them that it's not the same thing? How? I say, okay, time will tell, but just watch me. Watch me if I'm going to relent 1 year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now. Listen, my goal is to grow a team of at least 5,000 members. 5,000. And then I'm going to rest. For now, we're still at 50 something, 40 something. So there's still a long way to go. So once again, I want to thank all of you for being on this call. It's been awesome. Remember, we do our members training on Tuesday. Basically, hopefully, I hope that I can do the training on Tuesday for members because I should be in Ghana on or between that time. And it's going to be an awesome time, though, I tell you. So, for those of you who have not got signing up, who have not signed up yet, please get back to whoever invited you on this call and tell them, I want to sign up first. And then you will see the magic of the times. Yeji Jonah, you're raising your hand. We just have 1 more minute. I'm going to hear you for 30 seconds and then we'll call it a day. So please unmute yourself. Yeji Jonas, I saw you raising your hand. If you have nothing to say, please unmute yourself if you can. I've asked that you unmute yourself. So there are no questions on here. Nice. That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh, many laughter. Yes. Right. Thank you all for being on the call. God bless you all. It's been an awesome time once again. Yes, we do these trainings. We record them and then we put it on our channel. The only channel with a 25 letters. I'm going to write it on there. That's the name of the channel. Crypto Trader Extraordinaire. Yes, Russell, if you're in Ghana, please reach out to me. I dropped my number on there, but I'm going to put it on here again so that you can send me a message, Russell. If you're in Ghana, it'd be nice to see you up, to meet you up. That's my WhatsApp number too. So, like we all do, like we always do at the end of our calls, I'm going to make it a little more interesting for those who are going to say the biggest amen. You are going to make more than $3,000 this week if you are trading, because this week a lot of things are going to happen this week. A whole lot in the trading industry. So for those who have not started, please get started so that you understand this. And so may God bless you all. Have a good time. and you're going to be rich in Jesus' name. The highest amen will be rich.
Amen, 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 amen.
All right. Good night, everyone.